Hi, welcome back. I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker, introducing another listing we have here in San Jose. As I was mentioning in my other video, San Jose is such a big city and we have different areas like Blossom Hill and Willow Glen and Almaden Valley. Today I happen to be in Basking Ridge, which is right next to Silver Creek and Evergreen area. 2,400 square feet of luxury living. I cannot wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour. As you can see, it's such a beautiful, bright, open floor plan, and it's got a beautiful master bedroom with a huge walk-in closet and a beautiful balcony to enjoy views of the hills and mountains, green belt, and even sunset. Schools are great. You got Rita Ledesma Elementary, Bernal Middle, and you're literally walking distance to the elementary school. And Google Shuttle stops by every few minutes, just so you know, and everything is just a short walk or drive. Talk about parks, trails, library, grocery, hospital, gyms, restaurants, short distance to Coyote Creek, Metcalf Park, Santa Teresa Golf Course, and a lot more. Well, thank you for taking the tour, and as usual, I want to be your real estate resource in Silicon Valley. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to text me or call me anytime. I'm looking forward to seeing you at our mega open house this weekend. We're going to have live jazz music, food, and drinks. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.